Hey everyone, it's Sukanya. If you are looking for how to score full marks in your ICSE English language paper, then you are in the right place. I am about to reveal some easy ways and MCQ hacks to score good marks in your first ever board exam. So, without further ado, let's get started with the last minute prep for your exams. The first question that you're going to get is the comprehension question. Read the passage carefully and then answer the questions. The first thing to do for this type of question is to read the passage several times till you understand the clear meaning of the passage, and then only you proceed to answer. The meanings asked for the words from the passage have to be with respect to the context of the passage and not their literal meaning. For the MCQs, you need to scan and see the exact words and keywords and phrases which are taken directly from the comprehension. The only way to score good is to be alert and read the passage several times before you proceed to answer the questions. The next type of question you are going to get is fill in each of the numbered blanks with the correct form of word given in the brackets. Well, for this question, you have to use proper form of the tense and especially have to learn proper use of the present continuous tense. You must be clear with the rules of tenses and sequence of tenses through your regular practice exercises. Make sure that you do not select the misspelled option, because here the examiner is going to test you whether you can perform well under stress. So please be alert when you are selecting your answers. The correct use of prepositions is very important to score good marks in this question. You must know well when to use words from instead of between, from in place of since, in instead of away in place of down, out in place of off. You should not simply guess and mark the right answer. Instead, try to imagine the situation given to you. For example, the cat is sitting dash the table. If you have options like in, on, over, you have to imagine where the cat can sit. Well, definitely it cannot go inside the table, right? It can sit on the table. So that is your correct answer. Always try to imagine the sentence that is given to you. For the joining sentences question, you must use basic grammar rules in selecting the correct option. You must adhere to the meaning of the given sentences while attempting to choose the right option for this type of question. Make sure that the meaning stays same. Look out for the commas because they can definitely change the meaning of the sentence. So please be alert when you're attempting this question type. For rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each question, you must choose that option which may have a few necessary changes but does not change the meaning of the sentence. Pro tip for this section is to make sure that the meaning of the sentence remains the same even after rewriting. First, you rewrite the question in rough and then tally which option matches with your answer. And this way, my dear, you are going to score way more marks. So that was it for your English language paper. The next video will be how to score full marks in ICSE English literature paper. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you do not miss more videos helping you with your exams. I have listed some important videos for you. Links is provided in the description box, so please do check them out, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, all the best for your exam and take care. Bye-bye.